Have you ever opened an old scanned PDF file and realized you cannot edit anything inside it? Maybe it is a scanned document, maybe it was printed and scanned again, or maybe it is an old archived document that looks fine but the text cannot be selected. You try to click but nothing happens. PDF files have different layers. In scanned PDFs, the text is saved as an image layer, which is not searchable or editable. Using OCR, we convert that image into real text so it becomes editable. In this video, I'll show you how to repair and edit an old PDF document properly on Windows. Many people try online tools to fix this, but most online OCR tools require uploading your document to their servers. If your old PDF contains contracts, legal documents, office records, or confidential information, uploading it online may not be safe. So instead, we'll repair and edit this old PDF using the offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor on Windows. Everything happens directly on your computer. You can download it from the link given in the description. Open Systweak PDF Editor and go to the OCR tab. Click on Perform OCR. You'll see two options, OCR from PDF and OCR from image. Click on OCR from PDF. Now select your old scanned PDF file and open it. As you can see, the text is still not selectable. Click on Perform OCR again. Choose the page range you want to process. Next, choose what you want the output to be. To repair and edit the document, choose Editable. Now select the recognition language. Adjust the output settings if needed. Then click on Perform OCR. The software will now analyze and process the old document. Once the process is complete, a new repaired PDF opens automatically. You'll immediately see text boxes around all the text, and the document is already in edit content mode. Now you can simply click on any word and start editing it. The text is selectable, searchable, and fully editable. You can correct scanned documents, fix old details, update information, or modify any section of the document. If you need to add a new text, click on Add Text, place a new text box anywhere, and insert the new information. Now this old scanned PDF is completely repaired and usable again. And all of this was done offline without uploading your files anywhere. So this is how you can repair and edit an old PDF document on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.